is Devin. And what else do you do, Devin? You're the hole. Oh my goodness. Did you beat up your chest too? Oh my God. What's wrong with my child? Let's see your muscles. Let's see those muscles.
Big Show!
Okay, your Big Show. Let's see your muscles, Big Show. See, that's not show them. Show them. Go like this. Whoa. Okay. Say bye.
Bye!
You
Can I
goofball.
see it?
No, wait a minute. I'm going to go in here.
To President? Jason?
What are you guys doing? Hey, this is Jason Preston. What are you doing?
Big Show!
Well, you're a Big Show too?
I'm Randy Orton.
Yeah?
Jason, I'm Randy Orton. Go all the I'm Randy Orton.
He's Randy Orton. Oh gosh. They're crazy. Say hi, Marley. It's all fun until somebody gets hurt. Aww. Okay, I guess you want to see Daddy. I don't know. Say bye.